Oh, NOC, secured area. Huh.
Scott, what's up?
How you doing? Ray, Sugar Ray.
Hey.
Hey, is Randy in here? I had a meeting with Randy this morning. Is he in? I think he's down here.
He's in, he's not quite ready. Want to come in, I'll show you around a little bit?
Making copies in here?
Well, we do make copies in here. This is our Network Operations Center. This is where we take care of all of our customers that have managed services with Loffler IT.
Oh, not making copies in here. Something tells me I'm not in Kansas anymore.
Well, how'd you like to meet some of the team members while we're waiting for Randy?
Oh, I'd love to.
Scott, everything okay over there?
Oh, yeah, sure.
Excellent. Let's meet Team Alpha.
All right.
So, Team Alpha is one of the teams that our managed services customers are assigned to.
Oh, Team Alpha, Alphabets, Alpha Sprouts, Team Bravo, Team Delta, Team Alpha.
So we have 4 teams of managed services support groups. And by assigning each customer to a team, we create a higher level of customer trust.
Team Alpha. Gnomes? Do they have names? Can I touch them? Okay. Ooh, gaming. Pew, 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 pew.
No, I'm part of Team Delta. I'm helping my client proactively by running an audit, which helps them ensure their computers and devices are encrypted and secure.
Encryption. Encrypting the network. Playing it safe, keeping it safe. Oh, what's this?
Don't touch that.
Ooh.
Okay.
Oh, secret agent man here at Team Delta, huh?
Yep.
Top secret,
Yep.
huh?
What I'm doing is looking over the results of last night's security patch deployment that we pushed out to all of our managed services customers.
Okay.
And reviewing the health of patch management is just one of the many proactive things that we do here. And we do it to ensure the health and security of their systems and their data.
Making patches, patching up holes.
Goodbye, Scott.
I think Randy's ready for you, and I'm certainly ready to hand you off to Randy.
Okay.
Sorry about that, guys. Everybody can get back to work.
Let's see if you can keep up.
Oh, yeah, dude. I'm schooling you real good now.
Gaming.